Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel mimibitscoolcraft. So today I'm going to show you how I make Tanjiro plush doll from the anime Demon Slayer. Do you watch the anime? Because actually I don't really watch it, but my husband is a big fan, so I'm somehow familiar with the characters. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started! So first, I used Velboa fabric for the face. I had embroidered the face by hand. And then I put a felt fabric here on the forehead. And put on some glue. And after that, I put another Velboa fabric for the hair. And sew the fabric. You can use a sewing machine or just sew it by hand using backstitch or running stitch method. After you're done sewing, cut the excess fabric and you can use it later to make the ears. The pink layer is felt fabric. I used that earlier for embroidery base, so now I cut it as well. Okay, after you're done with the face, the next step is to make the back side of the head. Still using Velboa fabric. If you want to know more about the details like how to get the pattern or what materials that I use or where to get the pattern, you can read it in the description box. I put all the infos right there. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. We're going to make the body. I use Velboa and Nylex fabric. And then sew the pieces together. And flip it inside out. Now it's time for stuffings. For the head stuffing, I always adjust the shape here and there to make it more even and rounded. After you're done with stuffing, sew them all together using ladder stitch method. For the outer, I use felt fabric. I paint it with a permanent marker. After you're done painting, wait until it's dry. Now let's style the hair. Oh, and first you have to put the ears. You can sew the ears as well, but for me, I just use glue to make it easier and faster. I use felt fabric for the hair. Actually, you can also use Velboa fabric, but you have to double the fabric to make it thicker. So for this one, I'm just going to use felt fabric because it's a tiny plush, so it's fine. And then glue the hair. You can use this kind of glue or you can use a hot glue. Now it's time to add the small details. Now put the outer on. And it's done. You can also make it into a bag charm or a keychain. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.